Did you know Botswana is one of the best countries to do business in Africa? Yeah, I'm sure you didn't know that, right? If you're always watching this channel, the Business in Africa channel, then you will know we talk about doing business on the African continent. And my name is Rufo. I'm the CEO founder of HR and Systems. I always come here to talk about the reasons why I think you should do business in Africa. Now, don't get me wrong, okay? At times when I talk about doing business in Africa, or the top reasons why you should do business in Africa, that does not mean there are no hurdles or there are no disadvantages, okay? But all I want to do is see Africa from the positive angle, right? I want to see Africa from, from the good side, from why you should invest in these African countries, okay? And that's just what I talk about here. So today I've been looking at Botswana. Yes, Botswana is a small country in the southern part of Africa. It's actually a landlocked country, okay? It means that Botswana is surrounded all through by other countries. It's not having a coastline, okay? And Botswana is surrounded, or the neighbors of Botswana is Zambia, Zimbabwe to the north, we have Namibia, and then we have South Africa to the south as well. So these are the neighboring countries of Botswana. The capital of Botswana is Gaborone, and Botswana has about 2.5 million people. A very small country, right? Yeah, but the GDP of Botswana is about 18.6 billion US dollars. The president of Botswana as we speak is Mokgweetsi Masisi, and Botswana uses the Botswanan pula as their currency. Now, that was just a little background about the country Botswana. So now let's go into the 5 reasons why I think you should do business in Botswana in 2021, okay? So don't move a muscle, I'll be right back. Before we come back after the break, if you're new here, just make sure you click on the subscribe button, right? So what I always do is, I want to read from you. Tell me which topics you want me to cover in my next video, okay? Drop in the comment section below so that I know you came around, right? So keep watching and don't move a muscle. I'll be right back after the break. Hello guys, hello my Business in Africa YouTube community. My name is Rufo Chifo. I always talk about the best business ideas to invest in Africa. And I have been having a lot of questions from investors like you asking me, which African country should I invest in? I therefore decided to create this. If you're an investor and you want to invest in Africa, then you need this tool. Click on the links in the description box below and download your own copy. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Business in Africa YouTube channel. And my name is Rufo Chifo. I'm the CEO founder of HR and Systems. I have been helping a lot of potential investors like you invest in Africa. So if you want to set up any kind of business in Africa, hey, this is the place to come, right? Contact me, the numbers are on the screen right now. Let's talk about your business idea and how to go about it on the African continent, right? Now, back to Botswana. My first reason why you should invest in Botswana. Get this. I am very certain you didn't know this. Botswana is not having any exchange control policies. It was abolished in 1990. That's like they don't have any control over foreign exchange. So that means that if you do your business as a foreigner in Botswana, you can repatriate all the dividends. Like you can just send everything back to your country. Isn't that great? I mean, you won't find this anywhere, just only in Botswana. That was the first reason why you should invest in Botswana in 2021, right? Now, reason number 2. Botswana has a huge potential market. Not in the country Botswana because they are not that much, just 2.5 million people. But Botswana has the access to a market of over 200 million people, which is the Southern African Development Community, SADC. And Botswana is kind of like the head of the Southern African Development Union, okay? So that gives Botswana a huge access to markets like, as I said, Zimbabwe, to Zambia, to Namibia, to South Africa, and also they have some kind of treaties with Europe and America. So they have, from Botswana, you can do a lot of business. Another good thing about this is that being the central hub of the Southern African Union, what happens is you can also import goods from all these neighboring countries free of duty. You won't need to pay any duties on imports. So goods move within the region, to Botswana free of charge. So let me tell you. Now that means that if you are manufacturing in Botswana, you can sell in any other country around the sub-region so easily and make your profit without problem. And of course, as I said in number 1, repatriate your funds without any issue. Isn't that great? That was the reason number 2 why I think you should invest in Botswana. Now let's go to reason number 3. Before I give you reason number 3, I just want to pause for a second and ask you to please subscribe. I'm sure the information that you're having here is something you probably didn't know, or if you knew, it's kind of like revision right now, right? So subscribe right now, click on the subscribe button, and of course drop me a comment, like and share this video. And do you know something? I actually just launched 2 ebooks. They are right here. 2 ebooks. The African Business Startup Brain Box and the unique business ideas for every African country. These 2 books are not books, they are tools. So head on to Amazon Kindle right now. The links are in the description box below, and then you just download it. If you want to do business in Africa, then you must have these books, okay? Download it right now before I go to the next point, which is point number 3, okay? Botswana has got no restrictions to business ownership. That implies that if you're a foreigner or you're from another African country or from another continent, you can own your business in Botswana 100%, okay? There are no restrictions that, oh, you have to have locals on your board, you have to have locals in the company document. No, that doesn't happen like that in Botswana. So registering your business is first of all very simple. The steps are not much, and there are no restriction on that. If you want to set up or you want to register your business in Botswana, then contact us at HR and Systems. Let's help you in doing that, okay? Just contact us. Numbers on the screen, and I'm here. We are all here to help you, to facilitate you get started in Botswana. Now, point number 4. Botswana has what we call a liberal tax regime. Yes. What I mean by that is that you are almost going to pay no taxes in Botswana, right? I mean, they have the lowest tax rates in the region. Can you imagine that in Botswana, the corporate tax rate is just 22%? Man, damn! You can't find that anywhere in Africa. Believe me, in Cameroon we have about 35%. I mean the actual corporate tax, okay? Come on guys. You must invest in Botswana. And if you are a manufacturing company in Botswana, you pay just 50% of corporate tax. And this is just a few that I've named here. There are just so many tax incentives that you are going to really love investing in Botswana in 2021. Okay, so because of their tax regime, this is one of the reasons why I think you should be investing in Botswana this year or next year. That's 2021. Okay. Now, let's go to point number 5. Botswana has what we call zero tolerance to corruption. That makes Botswana a very low corrupt country, okay? So you won't find people asking you tips left and right or saying you should bribe them left or right center in Botswana. That's not going to happen, okay? So if you're investing in Botswana, you're sure everything will go smooth, everything will be on point, everybody there is upright, and you're going to have an environment where you can do business level-headedly. You understand? You can do business and enjoy it, not where you're going to do business and you're always hiding or doing things behind the doors, okay? So that's one of the reasons why I think you should invest in Botswana. That was my 5 reasons, or the Rufus 5 reasons why you should invest in Botswana. I just hope you enjoyed this video. Was it educative? Did you gain something out of it? Drop it in the comment section below. Let's keep talking business in Africa. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like and share this video. Do that right now, because I'll always come here to give you more information about business in Africa. And before I go, my name is Rofo Chifu. I'm the CEO founder of HR and Systems. And for a very long time now, we've been helping so many potential investors like you get started on the African continent. Like, we cut across the board, right? So if you want to invest in Africa, if you want to invest in Botswana or in any other African country, contact us right now. The numbers are on the screen. Let's talk business in Africa. We'll assist you with feasibility studies, with business plan, with registering your company, with negotiating for suppliers or customers, or with your permits and all of these things. So just contact us right now. Let's talk about your business getting off on the African soil, okay? I am Rufo and I believe in Africa, and I hope you too believe in the African continent. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.